the very beginning of this video, you saw the extension cable that I purchased, and the problem that I had was that I didn't look at the ends. I didn't even read the descriptions. I just looked at the size. So they were the perfect size that I needed, but didn't read that they were both USB type A's. So I did a video on that, and it's just a brief description. I'll give you a description of this item following the end of me speaking. So I'm going to use these to clip. I'm not using them for the intended use. I'm sure for the intended use they work fine, but I'm just going to use these to plug into the cables that you saw a second ago. And I'm going to use them as an extension to the laptop, because the laptop is tucked underneath where the keyboard slide goes, where my desk is. So this will allow me to extend the connection directly to the laptop. So my setup is basically that I have a laptop. Again, it's closed, it's connected to a monitor, and one of the USB has let me see, 1, 2, 3 USB ports. One of the ports is connecting to a large hub, or a hub that has 5 ports, whereas I have an additional 2 which I directly connect hard drives and other items, so it's speedier and faster to transfer stuff back and forth. So again, I accidentally bought the wrong ends. I didn't feel like returning them, so I decided just to get an additional adapter. So these are type A.
This is just a look at, again, just a detailed look at UseBean USB 3.0 Keystone jack inserts, USB 3.0 adapter 90-degree female to female coupler snap-in connector socket adapter port for wall plate outlet panel, white, 5-pack by UseBean, price, $9.99, Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/GP/SQ/B_7 /F8 ps Besgoods 2-pack 1.5 feet braided superspeed USB 3.0 type of cable, male-to-male USB cord short cable for hard drive enclosures, laptop cooling pad, DVD players, black by Besgoods, cost, $8.49, Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/GP/product/B075CZ6CAT /PPX_YO_DT_SC_B_S0/006_IE=F8 USB 3.0 female to female extension keystone jack coupler adapter, 90-degree angled USB 3.0 female to type of female 3.0 coupler, USB 3.0 keystone insert joints 2 USB 3.0 or USB 2.0 cables with USB type A male ends. USB keystone fits a standard opening in a patch panel or wall plate for keystone jacks. Offers data transfer speeds of up to 5 Gbps and also supports up to 2 amps of power output. Reusable keystone jack designed for easily disconnect and relocate when upgrading or redecorating. Quick snaps in installation and easily fits standard keystone wall plate, patch panel or surface box. Compatible with nearly all keystone style wall plates. This item UseBean USB 3.0 keystone jack inserts. USB 3.0 adapter 90-degree female to female coupler snap-in connector socket adapter port for wall plate outlet panel, white, 5-pack, product description color, white, 5-pack, keystone jack plug and patch. The UseBean USB 3.0 keystone jack insert provides a simple way to connect a computer to USB peripherals from a wall plate or patch panel. Eliminate cable clutter for a professional-looking installation. These USB keystone inserts are compatible with wall plates with standard-sized keystone openings. Superior construction 1. Gold-plated connector 2. Fire retardant housing for a safe installation. Keystone jack coupler join 2 USB 2.0 or 3.0 cables. Connect a printer in another room. Installation tips: install in a wall plate or patch panel with standard-size keystone jack openings. 1. Hook the bottom lip into the cutout while holding the keystone insert at a slight angle. 2. Rotate the insert upward to snap the retaining clip on the top into the opening until it snaps into place. What's in the box? 5-pack USB 3.0 keystone jack inserts in white. Product information color, white, 5-pack. Product dimensions 1.3 x 0.8 x 0.6 inches. Item weight 0.32 ounces. Shipping weight 2.08 ounces. View shipping rates and policies. Manufacturer UseBean Awesome B07 Cisne. Item model number 3.0 RI. W negative 5-pack.
I set everything up. As you saw, the speeds are fine, no complaints. And again, this is my setup. I bought the A connection, as you saw, and this is my coupler to solve that issue. So this is what I'm using it for. It's working, and that's all I needed it to do. So if you have the same situation, this is great. If not, then I don't know, maybe you can use it for something else. But it's pretty cool. These are the ones you put into the wall, into the plates, wall plates, like your Ethernet or RJ11, even HDMI ports on wall plates. This would be one for USB to extend it from one end to the other. Alright, so I hope the video helps. I hope it's informative. Thank you. Bye.